Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two smartphones. This one is connected to the Xiaomi Smart Band 9, and the other one is the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. On this video, we are going to follow up your request, comparing the available watch faces for the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 versus the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. And as you can see here, we are connected, we are paired, and we do have here the list of watch faces. So we will check it out and see if what is the difference when it comes to the layout and the number of watch faces. So if you are interested to see the difference between the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 watch faces and the Smart Band 10 watch faces, watch this video. And if you find this video tutorial useful, like, share, and subscribe. So let's begin and compare the band displays. So let's tap on it all. When I check it earlier, I think the collection or the online collection here of watch faces for the 9 and 10 is very different. Seems like it's a mess up. As you can see here, we have all. When you tap all, I notice it right away on the creative section. If you check on the creative section, the content is a bit different. Okay, so we have here the Cross the Bridge game, shooting game 2048, and fighter, just right in the creative section. But here in our Xiaomi Smart Band 10, these games is not available. I think it is available here in the fresh and fun category, but we don't have the Cross the Bridge. So we have at least 1, 2, and 3 games. Here we have the shooting game, we have 2048, fighter, and we also have our favorite, the Cross the Bridge, and we don't have it here in our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. If we're going to check here on the dynamic, it's also a bit different. We only have 2 here, and we have 3 in the dynamic for our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. I think this one is already available in the fresh and fun. Necklace mode, we have how many watch faces or dials? So more, I think just the same number of dials. Okay, let's see. Yes, I think it is just the same number of dials, or more for our 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, and 15. So more watch faces or dials for our 10. We have our custom here. We have simple. Okay, I guess we don't have this category already here in our Smart Band 10. We don't have the simple category. Yes, we don't have it. Go back, rankings. So we have, I think, much better layout, I think. So we have the free, popular, and new. So which has a better layout? We have new and popular only for our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. And you notice it already. We have the top one for the Cross the Bridge. We have a different top one for our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. I don't know why this one is the top one watch face. Okay, I don't think it's popular for me. Popular. So we have top one, free, so different list of top watch faces. Okay, so which do you think is better when it comes to the layout? Let's go to the news section. Seems like we do have a better list of dials for the Smart Band 9 than 10. New and recommended. We have popular here. New and recommended. Let's see. So if you are looking for the game Cross the Bridge, it is not available yet for the Smart Band 10. It's only available for the 9. But if you're going to change your region to China or other region, I think the Cross the Bridge is available for your Smart Band 10. Okay, so that's it. So let's try to download the dial and let's see if they have the same speed. We'll pick the same style. Let's go to U-Dynamic. Let's select this one. Blue Saturn. Different size, 7.92 MB, 7.37. I guess it's much bigger, or the size, wide size for our Blue Saturn here for the 10 compared to our Blue Saturn for the 9. But anyway, let's try. Installing update. So we'll see in just a few seconds. So 0%. It's already 3% or 5% here for our Smart Band 10. Obviously, we do have a much faster download here for the Band 10. It's now syncing 39% compared to 17% for our Band 9. Just a few seconds, we'll have our dials. And we already have it here in our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. We are still waiting for the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Okay, let's wait. %, and we have it here. Okay, so much faster for our, almost twice the speed for our Smart Band 10 compared to our Smart Band 9. Although the size for the dials for the Smart Band 10 is more bigger. Okay, the size 7.93 MB, I think. 7.37 MB. For the Band 10, it is around 7.93, I think, if I'm not mistaken. 92 MB. Okay, so that's it for the short video comparison for the available watch faces and layout, the UI of the watch face or dial section for our Band 9 versus the Band 10. Before we end, let's check first. Okay, let's check all. I just want to see something here. The pre-installs. let's wait for the pre-installs. So here's the pre-installs for both wearable, Band 9 and the Band 10. Okay, so different list of dials or watch faces. Okay, so that's it for the comparison. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. If you have any other requests, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.